Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase performance metrics with Express, beginner guide step by step clearly. First, ensure you have Node.js installed on your machine. Create a new directory for your project. Navigate into that directory using your terminal. Initialize a new Node.js project with the command npm init. Install Express by running npm install express. Create a new file named app.js in your project directory. Open app.js and require Express by adding const express equals require express. Initialize an Express application with const app equals express. Set the port number in which your application will run by adding const port equals process.env.port 3000. Add a basic route by using app.get /req res equals res.send hello world. To start the server, add app.listen port equals console.log server running on port $port. Now, let's implement performance metrics. Install the Express Status Monitor middleware with npm install Express Status Monitor. Require it in your app.js file by adding const status monitor equals require Express Status Monitor. Use it in your application by including app.use status monitor title performance metrics. Now, let's add compression for better performance. Install the compression package with npm install compression. Require it in app.js by adding const compression equals require compression. Use compression by adding app.use compression. Next, let's enable caching to further boost performance. Use the cache control header in your responses. Implement it using res.set cache control public max age equals 3600 inside your route handlers. To optimize database queries, consider using pagination or limiting query results. This practice can greatly reduce response times. Measurement is key to improving performance. Use monitoring tools like New Relic or Google Analytics to track your metrics. Finally, test your application using tools like Postman to analyze response times. Regularly review your performance metrics for continuous improvement. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.